Alright, so now I'm going to use the Meguiar's. I got the buffer ready. I heard, put a couple of dabs of this stuff on here. So we back. I went over it again and I was able to get most but not all of it out. But I would definitely say that it looks a lot better. I'm not gonna try to get it perfect. I just want it to look better than this. You know? That right there, you're in the water. The sun is hitting you. We're going to be using the Meguiar Gold class. This stuff right here is supposed to be really good. This is my first time using this one. Usually I use turtle wax, so I'm eager to see what this is going to turn out like. So I'm going to use that to put on there, and I'm going to go over it with the wax, okay? So let's see what it's going to look like. That's what it comes with. It comes with that sponge right there. All right, let's go.
Oh my God.
I'm happy, you know. And I know I got a little bit of spots here and that, but I am not complaining. You know, one day if I got a little bit of time, I'll take a little time with some, maybe a little bit tougher grit sandpaper, and just take my time and detail around it. But so far, this is good. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. 100% turnaround. I love it. You could just see the shadow and everything, and you get over here, nothing. Boom. Like, peekaboo. I might use this on my car too. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, well, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the boat. And when the boat is complete, we'll be showing you that, and you'll probably be getting clips in the mix of it. But I won't be doing much talking. So if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe, you know, and just hold through for the rest of it, okay? Wow, unbelievable. I'm super amazed.